Yo, McDuck, you're back. Alright, now we wait. Yep, right, let's see where this brings us to. Okay, for me, I'm not trading NFP. I'm just gonna analyze it and see whether we can have any nice trades after NFP. Right, so let's see. Yeah, let's wait for price to take out liquidity first, alright? Don't place any trades now. Okay, wait, let me send a link to you guys. Okay, anyone is trading NFP now? Music, I don't know, some people don't want the music. Okay, wait. Let's wait. Right? Okay, 9:30 p.m. is our NFP, so let's see how prices does right now. Hi guys, yeah, we invalidate first cause it's very close. I don't want you guys to be trapped inside the trade. Hi Putaninamo, you're back. Long time no see. Okay, come. NFP. I'll be looking for sales mainly, so hopefully if NFP pushes up, right, these are some plays that I'll be looking for potential sales for NFP lah. Okay, wait, let me pull up. Right, so if NFP pumps up, where I'll be looking for sales. Right, give me a second. Okay, key zone 1, I will look for this area, see if any resistance is forming here. Alright, number 2, I'll be looking at our next key resistance at 2050 and our order block here at 206826. These three key zones is where I'll be looking at for potential sales if there's resistance, right? So if it dumps, okay, now you guys ask, right, what if it dumps, what are we gonna do? Okay, number one, we have a daily fair value gap here. If we go back to the daily, we have a daily fair value gap here at 2003 to 2012. So where I'm gonna wait it out first is if prices dump, I'll be looking at this fair value gap, probably the 50% fair value gap here. So 50% of our fair value gap, we will be looking at about 2007, 2008. This is where I'll be looking at. But definitely we have to monitor for candlestick, right? Candlestick price action as well. So let's see how are we gonna do it. Okay, gotta look at our previous forecast as well. So 184K, they are forecasting a 34,000 growth compared to the previous data. So what does it mean? That they are predicting that there's a growth, right? So USD, they are predicting that it's supposed to be stronger. So if the data comes out below 184K, our DXY will dump very, very hard, right? So our DXY will dump very, very hard. So our DXY here will dump very, very hard. So if it shows actual or better than before, I would expect gold to dump, but maybe not that much. So we shall see how it does. Okay. Okay. Okay, if it taps here, maybe we can do for a quick scalp. Okay, maybe a quick scalp before NFP. Yeah, I'm also trying to look for buy opportunities or swing sell above. So we shall see where does NFP bring us as well. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, closes below sell side. Okay, what are your predictions for NFP, guys? Do you guys think it's gonna be a pump or dump? Pump or dump? Hi Anthony. Go to monthly. Okay, wait. I mean monthly and weekly candles look similar lah, so it's about the same. Okay, we look at hourly. Everyone thinks that it's gonna be a dump. I think it's gonna be a pump and then a dump. I think it's gonna be a pump and dump. That's my opinion. Prices are still ranging. It's gonna be a big move. It's gonna be a big move. I think it's gonna be a pump and then a dump. But where are we gonna find the cells? That's the next question, right? That's the question. Where are we gonna find the cells at? Right. So any of you guys here trade news? For me, I don't trade, but I'm just curious. Anyone here trades news? Okay, we might do a quick scout. Alright, we might do a quick scout if it taps back into the zone. You give No, not valid because our news is incoming. So, but I do think the NFP is gonna be a pump. I mean, if you guys want to trade news, you guys can take it with a pinch of salt. But my prediction is NFP is gonna be a pump. But I'm not trading news. I'm just saying that because based on technicals, right, we have a lot of fair value gaps and sell orders that hasn't been filled about here. So I think NFP is gonna be a pump. Take out all of this sell order before a big dump. Alright? Yes, that's why I don't trade news. It's like going to casino. But for those of you guys who want my analysis or wants my prediction, I don't recommend you guys to trade NFP, but I do think that it's gonna be a pump up to take out all these sell limits here before a dump. Alright, so we shall see how the analysis play out. We shall see how the analysis play out. News come in FVG or buy here. Okay. Clue for NFP news. I said before. You guys know my analysis. I said already. I think that it's gonna be a pump. But I'm not gonna trade it, okay? I'm not gonna trade it, but if you guys ask for my analysis, I do think that it's gonna be a pump. Thank you guys for the likes. Alright. GBP JPY. I say wait for price to settle first. I'll say wait for price to settle because GBP JPY right now is still ranging. It had a massive dump, so it's just consolidating right now. So give it some time for it to settle down, find its support resistance zone before we trade again. Because there's too many zones here right now. What time is NFP? In about 25 minutes, 9:30 p.m. Okay. If it dumps into this area, we might go for a scalp, okay? If it dumps into 2026, can do a quick scalp before NFP. So we have a minor fair value gap here on the 15-minute as well. Fresh H1 support. Okay, let's see. 3.9 is predicting. Basically, all the forecast is predicting that the US market is gonna do better. So if all of it shows that it's bad, right, then you will see a big reaction. You think it's a good idea for buy stop or sell stop? I would say no, because we have, let's say we have 1, 2, 3 high back news, right? The first one could be good, and then you can see that go down, right? Take out the sell stop, and then suddenly the NFP shows that it's bad for gold or good for gold. Then it goes take out the buy stop. So now you have both buy and sell stop ranging, right? So I don't think that you should really do buy stop, sell stop for NFP. Very, very risky. But what could happen is I'm looking for buys, right? If it dumps here, probably buys, right? But if it doesn't, because I still do think that it's gonna go up, right? My prediction is that maybe you can do a little liquidity sweep before pumping up. Okay, those of you guys on YouTube, I also think that it's gonna be a pump to sweep liquidity, so we shall see. Is there any ways to get data earlier? You cannot get data earlier. This one you have to wait. Unless you are working in the banks, you cannot get data earlier. So we shall see. Let's see where this brings us to. Look, we have a lot of resistance and order blocks above. I do actually hope that it will pump up so that we can look for sells. Alright, thank you guys for the likes. Let's try to hit 2,000 likes. Okay. After NFP news, we will have a better direction of the market. Then we'll have more setups to trade already. Because of NFP, prices has been ranging for the past few days. What if we set up 2 trading accounts, one for buy, one for sell before NFP, put $10 each. Then if it ranges or it spike up and then it goes down, right, both accounts will bust. Yeah, insider trading is illegal, you're right. YouTube is better than TikTok. Yeah, insider trading is illegal. Alright, 9:07. We have 23 more minutes and prices are still stuck here. Prices are still stuck. Let's just hope that NFP doesn't range. Okay, if NFP range, but can you do a countdown? How do I count down 28 minutes? Maybe the last 1 minute we do a countdown. I love to watch NFP because I know a lot of people's accounts gonna get blown. Do you place any trades? No, I don't trade. I don't trade news. I don't trade news. Those of you guys who know me, right? I don't trade news. Because it's a gamble, it's a big gamble. Okay, but we can look at DXY. You shouldn't trade news, especially NFP. Alright, especially NFP. So DXY currently we're holding nicely above H4 demand. So we shall see where will NFP bring us to. What's the next move? I'm not trading NFP, but my prediction is that NFP is gonna be a pump up. Okay, I will draw for fun. Right, 1 minute before I draw my arrows for fun of where prices are gonna go, but do not take it as a trade, okay? I don't want you guys to trade news. Trading news is pure gambling. Right? Do not trade news. I can give you my analysis, but I don't want you guys to trade news. Fair deal? Fair deal, okay guys? I give you my analysis of where prices might tap into, but I don't want you guys to trade. Alright? But I want you guys to understand the technicals of why prices might go into that area. So same thing, if it pumps, right, I'll be looking at the first key zone here, 2040 to 2044. We might have some minor rejections here. Alright? Then the next key zone, if this breaks, will be our 2050 to 2054 zone. If this breaks as well, which I doubt so, it will be all the way up at our big order block zone at 2066 to 2070. Right? But I doubt these key zones will break. So we shall see. But let's say if it dumps, I'll be looking at my fair value gap here. Right? This fair value gap zone. Probably 50% of the fair value gap. 2008, I might look for a buy. So let's see. Will gold ever reach 4,000? I doubt so. Probably in 20 years or 30 years. Yeah, later I get banned again, so I cannot say like, I cannot give like buy or sell signals on live. I can only put in Telegram. I hate it, when like days leading up to NFP or CPI is always this kind of ranging market. It's very hard to trade. Say gold will hit 2,200. I don't think it will hit 2,200. We will see how this NFP and how NFP CPI does. Once I have the big three NFP, CPI, and FOMC out, right, then I'll probably know where the market direction is gonna go. Then we can do a swing trade. Will news affect gold? Yeah, it will affect gold. News will affect gold. It's definitely gonna affect gold. That's why we are not trading this news. How many of you guys are in trades right now? How many of you guys are still in trades? Buy or sell for gold? What do you think? I think there's gonna be a pump and a dump. You are studying my free course on live. Okay, solid. In long, I also do think it's gonna be a pump and a dump, so we shall see. See how this plays out. It's gonna be a fun ride. You're still holding your trade for gold. Where do you guys entered? You entered buys at 2026. Did it even tap? Okay, now it's still ranging between these two zones. Very, very boring. Okay, I recommend you guys to close 5 minutes before NFP. You'll see all the up wicks and down wicks right before NFP. Entered at 2027. Okay. Try not to hold all the way till the minute point, right? 1 minute before NFP is gonna go crazy. You will see like spikes, go up. It's like up down 20, 30 pips spike. You can set to break even lah, but I think that there will be slippage. I mean, if you can afford to lose the 20 pips, then why not? You will lose slippage. You will lose slippage, but maybe like 30 pips. Yeah, we'll close before 9:25. Okay, we shall see where prices is at 9:25. I mean, it's holding this sell side liquidity pretty well. It's forming its own minor support zone as well. You know what would be the biggest prank if NFP is arranging, so it's just like no movement. But I do think that the upside potential is way more than the downside. Because all the news forecast is predicting US dollar to go bullish, right? Better than the previous month. So if any of this is worse than this or even the previous month, right? DXY will go haywire, will dump like mad, and then gold will start pumping. Right? So this is why I say the upside potential is more. This is why you also need to learn how to read your news as well. Because you guys can see the previous was 150k. Now they are forecasting 184k. That's a 34,000 increase in jobs, right? In employment change. So they are predicting that the US economy is getting better, right? So there'll be a 34k increase. So what if the prices is lesser than 184k? Even worse, if it's lesser than 150k, you will see a huge dump, right? If we see prices, I mean, if we see the actual data for NFP lesser than 150k, we will spam sells, alright? I mean, we'll spam buys. You're kind of zesty. What the fuck? Alright, 15 more minutes. Zesty festy. What the fuck? That's crazy. Alright, let's see. What the fuck? it could tap into the support, like the week could tap into the support and then a big pump up, right? So we shall see. Yeah, exactly. Ain't no way. This guy fucking weird. Okay, let's be serious. 15 more minutes till our highly anticipated NFP. Okay. Okay, those of you guys who are still holding 2027, looks like you're gonna get taken out at break even. Guys, don't gamble on NFP, man. Unless you have a fun account, like $100 you're willing to lose, then go for it. Yeah, every single time, right before news, every time everyone starts to go quiet and then pull up their phone, MP4 already. In my whole life, I only traded NFT once in 5 years. I only traded it once. Okay, NFT is gonna be an interesting one. Okay, guys, remember, close your trades 5 minutes before NFP. Those of you guys who have higher risk appetite, create a fun account or whatsoever. Don't trade NFP on your main account. Alright? Do not trade NFP on your main account. Very risky. You traded it twice. Okay. Don't trade news, especially NFP. Trust me, it's gonna be your worst decision ever. Because usually NFP, right, very rarely will have a one-sided movement, right? So NFP usually is gonna be like, let's say it's gonna be a pump and then a dump and then a pump and then a big dump, right? It's not gonna be like one way. So if you do like buy stop sell stop, it's quite risky, right? This is why if you open one account buy, open one account sell, your both of your accounts stop loss will get taken out. Unless you are really very lucky, you put buy stop sell stop, NFP is a one direction move, then okay, you will be profitable. But obviously, if you are trading news, make sure you are trading with money you are willing to lose. Remember, you have to trade with money you are willing to lose. Am I in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade. I do not trade news at all. By 9:28 p.m., no one's gonna message in the comments. Yeah, I also think so. Everyone is gonna be staring at their charts. Okay, okay. I think if I have a setup, I will immediately say inside the live stream because I don't think I have enough time to type out the TP level or SL level onto Telegram. So I'll try to do a fast one. We shall see how it goes. Okay, guys, another 12 more minutes. Predictions? I want to hear your analysis, like all of your analysis. Why do you guys think gold will pump or dump during NFP? Like based on technicals. I'm interested to hear you guys' analysis as well. Because it's always you guys hearing my analysis, but I want to learn from you guys as well, right? I want to hear your analysis as well. So guys, share your analysis. Buy or sell? I'm not in a trade right now. I'm not trading NFP, but I think it's gonna be a pump and a dump, followed by a dump. We shall see. I have zones that I might take buys and sells at. Okay, you guys think that it's gonna be a sell? Okay. Okay, those of you guys think that it will be a sell. Why? Why do you guys think it's gonna be a sell? For those of you guys that thinks that we're gonna sell, why? Buy then sell because of support. For me personally, I do think that the upside potential is more, right? I'll be looking at my potential sell zone at this area. If it breaks, then it's gonna be key H4 resistance. I doubt this will break. If this breaks, then our next zone will all the way be at our order block above here. But I doubt it will go back all the way here. But we can see. It will be interesting if it goes back there. So we have to wait for NFP to play out and then let price settle down a little before we look for our next high probability trade. Don't forget, today is a Friday, right? You guys don't want to get trapped on the market. You guys don't want to be trapped in the market on a Friday night, okay? You're gonna have a shitty weekend. Yeah, right. We have a fake out liquidity sweat, but then buyers bought it back up again. So there's a lot of accumulation going on here, building up a huge liquidity pool. So the breakout is gonna be a manipulation, right? After this accumulation, the next breakout will be a manipulation. So that's why I think it's gonna be a pump and a dump. Yeah, DXY is bear already. So if DXY is bear, so we will see gold pumping up lah, basically. But we shall see lah. No one can predict news unless you are the god. Okay, this will be an interesting zone to watch because this was yesterday daily highs. Another zone to watch will be here, yesterday daily lows, right? So we have to look at previous day highs and lows, see where it takes out first. Insider trader, yeah, if you're insider trader, then you probably knows every movement already. Okay, let's see. Pretty excited, bro. I love NFP. After NFP, there's a lot of volume, so if you're a scalper, it's your heaven. But do not trade during NFP. Yeah, now price is accumulating. Don't trade. Don't trade ranging markets. It's very, very bad. Do not force a trade. Do not force a trade. It's illegal, yeah. It's illegal. Okay, so after this, okay, I will try to send the signal over on Telegram because I think if I send on TikTok, I will get banned. So those of you guys who are new here and you're not inside our Telegram, the signal will be dropped on our Telegram channel. Just click the link inside our TikTok bio. We have 8 more minutes. Okay, monitor this zone here. 2040 to 2044. There should be some form of psychological resistance here. So even if you're a scalper, you might get maybe, even if it pumps up, maybe a 20-30 pip scalp, and then might be a continuation from there. What's my direction? I'm not trading, but I feel that it's gonna be a pump up, and then we will see how it's gonna do. Alright, I'm just giving my prediction, but do not trade. Okay, do not trade NFP. How to join Orient FX VIP? You can PM our admin on Telegram. You can PM VIP Orient FX on Telegram. Okay, let's see. Okay, those of you guys, how many of you guys are still inside a trade right now? How many of you guys are still in a trade? Remember to close it, okay? Are you ready, baby J? What the heck? Yes, I'm ready. I'm excited. No, okay, are you guys in buys or sells? You YOLO sell 0.5 lot, 100 pips stop loss. That's crazy. No, I don't know who are you. Who are you? Okay, it's gonna be fun, okay? Because we have buyers and sellers here. So let's see. So we have someone selling 0.5 lots full margin here. We have someone buying 0.5 lots. So we see who's gonna win. Okay, we see who's gonna win. I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines and then we see where prices play out and then we can look for our next high probability setup. Okay, it's 9:25. Okay, volume is gonna kick in soon. Bro, you took a trade on GBP USD buy. Did you mess up? I would recommend close before news because we're gonna expect lots of volatility. You got buy stop sell stop for Euro USD but very far away. Wow. Yeah, but I recommend you guys don't trade news, okay? Don't trade news, especially NFP is gonna be very, very volatile. 5 lots, 200 pips. SL 5% of your account. Oh, you're doing funded. Okay, 3 minute 55 seconds. Go big or go home. All you motherfucking gamblers. Okay, okay. Hopefully, okay, good luck. Okay, those of you guys who are trading on NFP, good luck for you guys. I'll watch and then I'll see if it taps into my buy or sell zone after NFP. Alright, so good luck to you guys, whoever who is trading NFP. I'll wait for prices to hit my zones before I take a buy or sell. ZLSG, 0.5 lots long. Okay. It's not addiction, it's dedication. Okay, good luck to you guys. I'm speechless. Okay, okay. ZL, I hope it pumps for you. All the degens. those on YouTube are calling you guys degens. Okay, okay, come. You know what's the biggest prank? Imagine there's no movement, prices is just ranging again. That would be funny. That would be funny. Okay, remember to close your trades, okay? Those of you guys, we have NFP incoming. Those of you guys still holding on to your trade, remember to close it. Okay, thank you for those who are new followers. Alright, we are gonna watch how this play out. Okay, okay. 1 minute before I will say where I think NFP might go to, okay? 1 minute before NFP. Then we shall see. Later I get banned, yeah. Y'all don't anyhow gamble. Later I get banned. Alright, say no to gambling. Trade with proper risk management. Alright, say no to gambling. No full margin, okay guys? Please do not full margin. Lose or make million. Fucking hell, guys. Okay, 1 minute before NFP, I'll tell you guys where I think it's gonna go. Zero point zero 0.01 lots. Okay, let's see. Attendance +1. Welcome back, Christine. Every single day. Not bad, not bad. Josephine, Joe, and Christine. You guys should create a group, both of you guys. Attendance +1. Okay, I'll draw the lines, okay, for fun, okay? Do not follow. Okay, we see if it follows my analysis. Pure prediction, do not follow. All the gamblers on Telegram. Yeah, guys, do not gamble on NFT, please. Okay, what I think is gonna happen, okay, it's gonna sit down and then it's gonna go up. Okay, this is my prediction, but I'm not trading. Okay, I'm not trading, but this is my prediction. I'm not trading NFT, okay? Do not trade NFT, but this is just purely for fun. Purely for fun. Okay, we see if it's gonna do it or not. Alright, we have 20 seconds. Okay, I say that it's gonna go down, go up, maybe have some form of rejection before continuation. Alright, so let's see. Are you guys ready? Are you guys excited? Okay, 40 seconds, 30 seconds. 6. Okay, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, we see. Okay, this is for fun. Okay, please do not trade based on this. Okay, this is for fun. Okay, see guys, it tapped into the fresh support. Now we see, is it gonna dump? Wait, why isn't it out yet? Oh, it's out already? Is it out? Okay, too bad, all those that you guys who bought. Okay, this is why I don't trade NFP news. Okay, now we wait for this zone to hit daily. This is our daily zone where we are looking at, right? Previous daily low to get taken out. Alright, let's see. Let's read the NFP. Okay, NFP is good for DXY, bad for gold. Good. Okay, almost all is good for the DXY. Okay, almost all is good for the DXY. Okay, good luck. We're gonna see go down. all is good for the DXY. Okay, last one. Let's see which one is it. Okay, those who did buy stop, sell stop should should be profitable though, because this one is a one-way movement. Why is it still pending? The last one. What's the last one? Okay, if it taps into the 50% fair value gap zone, we might look for possible entries. Okay, we're gonna monitor here. Your broker is frozen. Okay, it's gonna be a one-way dump. Okay, let's wait for it to tap into the daily fair value gap here. Okay, it's at our H4 order block now. So let's see. Why is it still pending? Your sell TP was at 2025. Got filled on 2017. Wow. Alright guys. Okay, that was fun. Okay, now it's still kind of rejecting this H4 order block. Okay, we might look for sales upon retest. Okay, if we retest here, we will look for sales. Yeah, all is good for DXY. I don't know why my Forex Factory says it's pending. Oh yeah, all is good for DXY, so should look for... Okay, upon possible retest here, we might look for sales at the fresh H1 support. Alright, so let's look at DXY. Okay, DXY, we are looking at a big pump all the way up. Okay, DXY should reach H4 supply and then it's gonna U-turn. You entry buy at 2016.64. Okay, that's pretty good snipe. That's okay, now it's coming back to our H4 zone. That's why I tell you guys, don't gamble. Okay, do not trade news. All news are good for DXY. That means gold is pretty bad for gold, you know, guys. So okay, the only way I'm going for a quick scalp right is probably at this area already. Is in my FVG zone. If not, I'm not gonna look for any scalps. Because it's very risky to do buys right now when you have all three news being good for the US dollar. When is the next NFP news? The first Friday of every month. So January, the first Friday of January will be your next NFP news. The first January, okay? Okay, now we need to let news settle down a little bit before we look for our next setup. We have another pending news at 11 PM. Another high impact news. So hopefully between these timings we can get quick scalps. Where's your stop loss? McDuck. Anyone traded NFP or not? Anyone here traded NFP? So who sold? Will it drop more? It's probably, it might go back up and then we might look for sales. So if we go back up, then we look for sales. So hopefully it comes back, then we can look for sales. So I might look for possible short entries if it comes back here. Right, I might look for possible long entries. I mean short entries, then we can target here. Stop loss put above this. You just collected 100 pips. Wow, nice, nice, nice. Anyone bought here? I would say it's pretty risky if you buy here right now. Unless it goes out, I'll look for sales again. Because it's very bearish for gold right now. I want to look for sales. Because all of our DXY here is all green. So I'll be looking for sales instead of buys. So hopefully it's gonna pump up so we can look for extra sales. Because right now it's super bearish engulfing. You don't want to buy here. When you buy this kind of engulfing candle, it's super duper risky for you guys. Alright? I want it to have some form of retracement back up, right? Maybe towards this OB area here where we can look for a continuation sell. You guys want to follow the trend, okay? You don't want to trade against this dump. Very, very risky. Hit your stop stop and close manually at $50 profit. Okay, I'll wait for prices to bounce back up and then we'll look for a continuation sell. Alright? Your TP 2009 to 2000, same. Here. If I'm looking for sales, my TP will be around here. 2007, 2008. Okay, we see how high prices goes back, retrace up, and then we can look for a continuation sell. You want to catch the continuation sell, you don't want to fight the trend. So you shouldn't be looking for buys, you should be looking for sells when prices bounce back up. Which pair is that? This is our gold, XAU USD. Okay, we let it dump finish first. We let this 15-minute candle close first. I expect it to dump all the way down, at least to clear this fair value gap. So if it comes here, we might look for buy scalps, right? It's super bearish right now. I would say that we are highly likely gonna tap into this fair value gap area. And then if we see forms of rejection here, then you guys can look for possible buys entries or scalping buys. But try not to fight against the trend. Wait for a possible rejections upwards, a retest, and then we look for sells again. Right, so this could be our golden zone lah, from 2020 to 2023 for entries. Alright, so I will send you guys a zone to monitor. So we're gonna monitor 2021, 02, 0.5, 03, 4, for retracement of buy scalps. You take your profit at 2021. Can explain? Oh no, I don't take entry based on here. I just show you guys. It's just a visualization. I take my entries on MetaTrader, same as you guys. Okay, wait for my confirmation. Okay. Okay, now prices are retracing back up. So let's see. You just take around 50 pips and you're done. Okay. Coming up already. Retesting up already. Okay. Okay, ready. Okay, 2022 to 2026. I'll look for sales. Sell. I'm looking for sales already. Alright, 2022 to 2026. My sell zone. Okay, we are in. Alright, we do quick scout, okay? 2020, TP1, TP2, 2018, TP3, we're gonna target 2014. Alright, 2022, our sell zone. Alright. Let's see. How many of you guys are in? So our sell zone 2022 to 2026 here. SL at 2028 above this down here. Okay, we shall see whether it's gonna be a manipulation or is it gonna be a continuation. I'm in sales currently. I think it's waiting for 9:45 for market to open. You think it's a manipulation? Could be. We could have multiple news here as well. Okay, we're gonna hit all layers soon, so we shall see if it closes above here, right? Then we got manipulated. So we shall see. Wait, 2026 layer tapped in as well. Yeah, the pullback was crazy. Alright, okay, all layers stepped in right now. We are currently at break-even layer. So let's see. If you lay out the zone, you guys should be running profits right now. Right? Alright, okay, come. We are back to break-even layer. Alright, close your first layer, close your first layer. Alright, close your first layer, set stop loss to break even for the rest. Alright, then hold. Close your first layer, set stop loss to break even for the rest. If it comes back, then we look for a sell again at a higher point. 5 minute fair value gap, mini one. Minus 2000? What trade are you in? How are you down 2000? I'm getting a warning from TikTok. I cannot put this. Okay, sorry guys. The setup is on Telegram. I'm gonna get banned if I put that. Okay, guys. So the signal is on our Telegram. Our TP level is at there as well. Okay, so go check it out on Telegram. Click the link inside our TikTok bio. Currently running our top two layers right now at BE level. Why am I funny? I scared to get banned. I think if I get one more strike, right, I'll get banned from TikTok already. All I need is one more strike, and I'm out of TikTok. Can you sell Angel? Oh, what is Angel? Right. Looks like DXY got manipulated like mad as well. What is my estimated win percent after? Okay, BE hit. Okay, never mind. Wait for the next setup. Left 2026. Let's see if 2026. Okay, 2026 got taken out. Okay, come. Never mind. Wait for the next setup. Okay, actually, we still can re-enter this zone. We still can re-enter this zone if you guys want, because we're still seeing possible rejections as well. So you still in a loss. You're in at 2022. I'm still seeing possible rejections here, so we can still continue this zone. All right, we still can continue this zone lah. But it's kind of risky because right now it's 9:45. So gotta see. Okay, we go same zone. Okay, risk management. Okay, guys. We've been take out three lower lows, so we shall see lah. Because if it rides back up, right, then it's very very manipulated. Because we have three news that's good for the USD, right? Yes, if DXY goes down, gold will go up. So currently gold is now ranging, so maybe we can wait for next setup lor. If you guys are out of the trade. Because now gold hasn't been settling right now. It's just got manipulated like mad on DXY. Like literally manipulated like mad. I'm still bearish on gold. So we shall see. It didn't close, it went to 2021.573. But let's see. There's an equal high, right? Yeah, we have an equal high made here at 2026. So currently still ranging between here. Let's see if it closes below our fresh H1 support. Still in. We are still in at 2026. Don't worry. Now it's flipping back already. We should go to TP1 as well. How many of you guys are still holding this? trade. Remember our TP1 is at 2020, okay? Looks pretty good right now. Running about 40 pips from our re-entries. War is still going on. War is already priced in, I say. War is already priced in already, so I don't think it's gonna have much movement. We have another news at 11 PM also, so this is something you guys have to take note of as well. Go eat your hor fun already. You guys got sell or not, guys? Okay, the guy that is waiting at 2022 came back already. Okay, M5 back to FVG. Alright, guys, let's go. Let's go, guys. Same zone, same zone. Those of you guys inside the VIP, do you guys re-enter? TP1, I will close a few. Alright, TP1 is gonna hit soon. Yeah, so it gives a general direction, but we have to look at CPI and NFP as well. Okay, let's see if it hits our TP1. Okay, it's hitting soon. Alright, TP1 done. I said same zone so many times, you guys never re-enter. You went toilet. Okay, how many of you managed to hold a trade or re-enter? My next zone is here, bro. I'm aiming here actually, so we shall see. Next zone for what? For sales or what? Next zone for sales or what? Okay, how many of you guys made money from the sales? 60 pips from the top. Hit TP1. If it retest, we might look for re-entries lah. But holding. You held. Okay, Chan Jinjie said he held. Okay, solid. Close 2 lower layers on TP1. Those that want to hold, just set break even. Do secure some profits, okay? Those that want to hold to our TP2 or TP3. Didn't make profit. Don't give up. Don't give up. You don't have to be profitable every single day. Alright. We have to wait for prices to settle as well because we are kind of fresh right now. Because you guys have to understand, NFP just came out, so you see a lot of volatility here, right? But this was a good retracement back up, and then now it's dumping pretty well. I was spamming, same zone, you guys didn't re-enter. Managed to close 2 layers at TB1. Are you anyone still holding to TB2 or TB3? Anyone still holding to our TB2 or TB3? Same zone, yeah. If it comes back here, you know why? Okay, I'll show you guys why I re-entered here, right? Because this was our fresh H1 support. So this was my re-entry here at our fresh H1 support, as well as our 50% value of this breakout of our big fair value gap here. This was around the 50% value here. So I decided to take a sell position because all of our news here shows that it's good for the DXY. Right, so when it's good for the DXY, it's supposed to be bearish for gold. But what happened to gold was prices actually dumped very, very hard and managed to push all the way up. Right, create a very, very big manipulation. So it took out all the early seller stop losses here. So once all the early sellers that sold here died out, what happens? They enter sells again. That's why you see a big dump right here. You want to re-enter third time? Okay, wait for confirmation. Maybe the third time we can look for re-entries a little bit higher, probably 2024, but we hold first, okay? We hold first. We see we can take out at least TP2 or not. Jing is holding to ultimate TP 2008. Someone, okay, those of you guys that made money, send our admin, okay? Jing is some guy on YouTube. Some guy just showed me he made $600 on this trade alone. Trust our setups. Right? Anyone caught the cells? Okay, where do you guys manage to layer from 2022 to 2026? Literally tap in exactly and then dump down. Okay, our next TP is actually at 2018, so this is where we'll be looking at here. Right, 2018, this is where we'll be looking at. Okay, and our ultimate TP is at a 50% fair value gap here at 2008. Alright? Jingjie is a regular in VIP. Yeah. Okay, come. Let's see if we manage to at least take out TP2 for you guys or not. How many of you guys are still holding? How many of you guys are still holding on to the cell? Oh my god, guys, let's go! Trust the setup, guys. Trust the setup. I told you guys, right? Trust the setup. Come on, guys. Holding strong with me. Any one of you guys here went out already? Alright, holding strong with me, right, guys? Okay, come. We are about to hit TP2. Very close. 2 pips. Win together, lose together. Never walk alone. Alright, anyone still holding to our TP2? Those of you guys inside our Telegram channel. Alright, let's go. Done. Anyone still holding to TP3? I promise you guys I'm gonna give you guys a good setup again, right? So anyone is still holding to TP3? Those on YouTube, anyone is still holding on TP3? Okay lah, if come back we can look for possible re-entries again, okay? Those of you guys that closed too early or missed it. But okay, remember to take some partials at TP2, alright? Remember to take some partials at TP2. Secure some profits. Will there be any more setups? Yeah, I'll be looking for more setups for you guys. If it comes to here, I'll probably do a buy scout. Okay, what's your profit? What's your profits? What's your profits? Guys, look at this drawing. How much do you guys make? How much do you guys make? How much are you guys up right now? Next zone will be here, okay? We'll look for buys, okay guys? Are you guys inside the free VIP channel or the free channel as well? Those of you guys who are not inside, go join our Telegram channel first. $1. Okay lah, $800, $300. You guys are crazy. Sorry. Okay, we have news at 11 as well, so careful, okay? 5,000 USD, are you sure? Are we going to re-enter? Okay, I'm still looking for sales because, I mean, look at this. You have 3 high impact news all that is bullish for the USD. That pump up was a big manipulation, right? That big pump up was a big manipulation here. You can see that it took up all, manipulated all the stop losses, and then price DXY starts to pump up again, right? That's why I'm pretty confident that there'll be a retracement. This is why I always trade after news. I don't trade before news, right? So now you guys get where I'm coming from. I wait for an initial breakout to come back, and then when prices retest up, I look for sales again. So this is how I trade news, after news, when there's a continuation of break. All right, so let's say, okay, we need to break this. This is a key area to look at. Okay, for those of you guys who want to hold to TP3, we need to break this. If we break bearishly engulfing here, we should expect a big dump. So those of you guys who want to hold, focus on this area right now. All right, 2014.5. All right, I'm still holding. I'm very bearish. I'm super bearish on gold right now. I didn't even take partials. maybe a little bit lah. I'm still holding. I haven't closed any position yet. I'm pretty confident on this sell. So we shall see. Okay, we have to monitor this. If it breaks, we should have another big push down, hopefully towards our 2008, where we can switch over to buy scalp. Alright, we can look for buy scalps around here. Or we can look for around 2 sells. If it pumps back up to maybe around here or 2022 once more, we can go for sells again. Trust your guts. Yes, trust your setup. Trust your setup, guys. Profited $2,000. Congrats. Okay, remember, if you guys caught your profits, send it to our admin, okay? Show us. It's me and one admin that high. Okay, guys, broke structure already. How many pips are you running from the top? Almost 100 pips already. Hold, okay, guys, trust me, hold. We're gonna hold this. How many of you are still holding? Alright, we need to break this, okay? We need to break this. Once we break this, it gives me an extra confirmation that we could help hold to our full take profit here. No, I have someone that is doing admin for me. But I look lah, I see what you all say lah. Alright, now we are breaking this zone. Alright. Okay, those of you guys who are coding to TP3 with me, monitor this zone. Monitor breakout from this zone. If it breaks above this zone, we will hold to TP3. If it bounce above this zone, then we will close it. Alright. We see how this candle closes. Okay. Okay, so this is our second zone to monitor right now. As prices, this is on live, by the way, live analysis. Okay. So now this forms a new rejection point here. Right. So we need prices to not break above here. Alright. If prices do not break above this point here, we can continue holding ourselves to TP3. You closed $10,832. Wow. Shall we hit our massive TP3 today? Guys, what did I say? Okay, 40 pips away. Alright, TP3 hit. What did I say, guys? Anyone holding to ultimate TP? Anyone holding to our ultimate TP? 2008. Anyone holding to 2008? Who is holding on to until 2008? Those of you guys on YouTube, you guys are all still holding with me, right? I told you guys, trust my analysis. We are going to hit TB3. Now, do you think who is holding with me till 2008? I only closed half my position. I'm still holding half. Alright, we're gonna hold it. Okay, we're gonna write it down together, guys. Okay, where I'll be looking for possible second sells is when prices maybe retest up to maybe here, this area. We might look for a second sell. Accidentally close. How you even accidentally close? How do you even accidentally close? Why 2008? Because we are looking at I want to do a buy scalp here actually because I want it to break the previous low here, and this is my 50% of my fair value gap. So this is where I'm targeting because I want to take out the previous daily low that was created, right? I want to take out this previous daily low at 2010 and this 50% fair value gap area where I will look for buy scalps. Alright? Okay? So this is where I'm gonna look for. Right, we are done with all three TPs, so now we are gonna look for probably our next setup. I'm still holding half of my position, okay? You first time on computer MT5, you go press close position, whole thing close. No way, bro. Where do you close at, Jingjie? Okay, I'm looking for monitor 2008, okay? What are the chances it will retest so high up? Where's your retest? No. This was previously. I'm not looking for that. That was when prices was still here. Was here. Right? I said it's gonna retest up. It did retest up and then it dumped down. Right? So now we are currently holding. As long as prices doesn't close above here, I'll be holding my sales until 2008. Why is that so? Because this was the previous pump up, and if prices closes above here, we have a market structure shift. Alright? So I'll be holding my sales unless this get broken. This gets broken, I'll be looking for buys around here instead. Alright? So I'm still holding. Any one of you guys still holding? I'll be holding with a trailing stop loss set above here. So if prices close above here, I will close all my sales. Alright? So we shall see. So as long as prices don't close above here, I will still be holding. Profit $7,689. Why are you guys profiting so much? Do you guys full margin? You guys are crazy. So Puttaninamo, do you full margin in this trade? Okay, we have another high impact news at 11 p.m. Okay, 11 p.m. So please. Okay, those of you guys who are not inside our Telegram channel, click on our TikTok bio and join our free Telegram channel. Okay, that's where I set my analysis and setups at. He read it out loud. Who? Am I outclassed? I was outclassed. Now I'm Orient. Who? Whose name is a curse word? Whose name is a curse word? Oh shit, yeah. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, faster, faster. We're gonna hit our final TP already. How many pips? How many pips did we caught today on live? We're still holding ourselves. Were you from Callisto? No, I wasn't from Callisto. Yes, I'm looking for our next buy setup here. Alright, this is where I'll be monitoring for my next buy setup. 2004 to 2008. I'll be monitoring here if it taps. You live till what time? I don't know. What time you guys want me to live until? Okay, we monitor this zone. Okay, we monitor this zone. Alright, our buy zone. Until you profit again. You're greedy 100 pips 100 more than 100 pips I think 150 pips already. Is that day one? Yeah, this is our daily fair value gap here. And this was the 50% value of the daily fair value gap. 4 a.m. can. You guys crazy You guys want me to live until 4 a.m. In a day, how many trades do you do? I only take high probability setups. I don't force the trades. So for me, if I don't see a high probability trade, I will not send you guys. Simple as that. I only want to take high probability trades for you guys. So depends. On good days, we had like 6 signals, all 6 hit, take profit. On normal day, we have one, like today, this is our first signal of the day, and the only signal we took, right? So it really depends. I only want to take the high probability trades. I don't want to take like those ranging trades, risk 20 pips, that kind. There's no point. Okay, who's still holding to ultimate TP? 12 you guys want me to do under 12? Wow, good to see you, Jay. Haven't been in forex trading. How have you been, Hans? Until next news, okay? Okay lah, last day. Then what if next news I hit stop loss? Do you send all signals in your public? I do send both in public as well as our free VIP channel. Hopefully you guys caught it. Anyone still holding up to this point? Okay, trust me, right? You guys trust me, right? Okay, so now we have broke another structure here. So this is where I'll be monitoring. Alright, this is where I'll be monitoring. For here, if this breaks, I will close. If it holds, if prices doesn't close above here, I'll still be continue holding till our ultimate TP. Okay, VIP channel, I send more signals, do more analysis, and we have a VIP trade discussion channel as well. Alright, we are about to hit our full TP. Alright, we are about to hit our full TP. Almost there. Anyone still holding on with me strong? Anyone is still holding with me strong till our TP3 at 2008? What's the new yellow box? It's a new structure created after every breakout. So as long as prices doesn't close above here, I'll be holding myself towards 2008. I will monitor before buy, but we can look for possible buy scalps here, but we shall see, Because this is a 50%, we are already inside our daily fair value gap. Because if you look at the 1 hour, look at this. It's a giant dildo right now. Look, that I told you guys that was a manipulation, right? So that pump was a manipulation to take out early seller stop losses. And then now we are going back into our general direction here. So hopefully you guys caught the sells and you guys are still holding strong with me, right? So this area is where we might see buyers stepping in, right? Buyers might step in this area because we are currently inside our daily fair value gap. All right. Okay, I'll be looking for potential buys, okay? Potential buys here because we have to note that 11 p.m. we have news, okay? 11 p.m. we have news. So you guys make sure, okay? 11 p.m. we have news. So do not do risky trades. All right, 11 p.m. we have news. I don't want you guys to be trapped in the news, trapped before the news, and then have to hold through the entire news. Okay, same thing. Signals and setups I'll be sending into our free Telegram channel. So click the link inside our TikTok bio to join, because I cannot sell on TikTok if not I get banned. Alright, we are currently reaching our ultimate TP. Alright, ultimate TP is about to hit. Who trusted this setup? Don't lie. How many of you guys actually held TP3? Or you guys fumbled at TP1, TP2? Okay, my Telegram channel under files, I have created a free courses for you guys as well. Okay? For those of you guys who are new to our Telegram channel, you guys can click into the free course. Alright, the free course on our file. Alright? You close with $2,000 profit. Sick. Okay, there will be two buy levels that I'll be looking at. Okay, firstly is this 50% fair value gap level, 2 hour, 0% level. So if this breaks through, that means this whole fair value gap is mitigated. I'll expect a huge dump through. Alright, but if it bounces from here, we can catch a nice buy. But we have an inducement level as well from here, right? This is an inducement level here, which I will take up. Alright, which I'll be looking at. So it's either we are looking for buys here, or we will look for buys at our inducement level here. Okay, this is an inducement level before the big pump. So this is where I want to be looking at as well. Okay, so we have one inducement level here, as well as a second inducement level here. Okay, we have these two inducement level here. Alright, so this two is where I'll be looking at. Okay, currently we broke through previous daily low. Okay, ultimate TP has been hit. Alright. Okay, we are inside our buy zone now. So you guys can do a quick buy scalp. Okay, I'll be monitoring for you guys. Then we can look for buy scalps, okay? Okay, ultimate TP has been hit. Alright, 2008 buy scalp. Come on guys, 2008 buy scalp. Okay, we try, okay? I don't have time to type it in Telegram, so if you guys caught it. What is inducement level? Is like the previous manipulation before the swing up. Okay, anyone caught at 2008? I sent you guys. It moved too fast. Anyone caught it? I sent inside the VIP channel. Anyone caught it? Anyone caught it? I didn't manage to send a setup because it flew too fast. But anyone managed to caught it? Okay, never mind. I think it will come back to retest as well. Right? So this inducement level 1, inducement level 2 is where we're gonna look at. Okay, but I still think that it might continue dumping a little bit more. Okay, so we have this first inducement level here. This is where it's a very important point here. If it breaks here, then it's kind of risky already. Yeah, I wanted to type out buy, but then by the time I type out buy, already fly up. TP scalping lah, scalping. Maybe 20 pips take profit. 2010, 2012, 2014, 60 pips. Hey, come back already. But don't buy it, okay? I want to look for an inducement level within this zone. We need to, this is a very huge zone here, but if we miss out, then if you guys miss out, we don't FOMO into the trade as well. Because we have news at 11 p.m. here. We have news at 11 p.m. So do not fear of missing out into the trade. When can you re-enter for sale? I'll say, wait it out lah, wait it out. Okay. I will be looking at here actually. Okay, 2008 could be a risky area because currently it's still quite a big bearish engulfing. So for those of you guys who caught it, you guys can TP probably 20-30 pips scalping. zone. Those of you guys who have caught it on live, then for those who want to re-enter, we don't re-enter yet, okay? Because I still don't like how this price action is playing out. Right? A lot of sellers are still stepping in. Why is that a daily fair value gap? I thought it has been mitigated. It hasn't been mitigated. It was here. It was from the bullish pump. It hasn't been mitigated. Okay, I think this is the last setup already lah. If you guys caught it, it happened too fast. But we shall see lah, okay guys. Okay, but prices come back, don't hurry to buy it, okay? Because it's still very bearish. I'm looking at 2000. Okay, prices are too bearish. Do not re-enter. Those that want to re-enter, 2004 to 2001 here. Inducement level here. Engulfing candle. You don't want to buy, okay? Okay, wait. Yeah, for this to be mitigated, we need 2000 here. I'm gonna send you guys this zone. We can look for possible entries here. But remember that this is high risk because 11 p.m. we have a high impact news, okay? And this is trading against the trend, so it's a bit risky. So take on your own accord, okay? 2000 to 2004. This is our inducement zone, but candles are still very bearish, so we still have to monitor a little bit. Okay, wait, let me type out for you guys. Okay, it's coming to 2004 already. Candles is still engulfing, so be careful, alright? Be careful. So, if you guys want to take, do note that this is a risky trade, okay? Alright, I send ready. Anyone managed to catch? I haven't put my TP level yet, but okay, wait, let me type it out. Okay, TP1. Okay, this is a risky trade, guys, so we are just gonna look for scalps, okay? Quick scalps. Okay, let's see. Anyone managed to catch? Okay, now it's coming back. We are going for the same zone. Same zone. I'm still typing out my take profit levels for you guys. Sorry, give me a while. Same zone, same take profit level, right? My hands are a bit slow. So same zone, same take profit level. Scalping, alright? This is scalping. Scalping. Risky scalping. Alright, risky scalping. Alright, TP1 is gonna get hit soon. Okay, this is scalping, so we are just gonna go for quick scalps. Quick scalps. Then not risky is when you're trading with the trend, like just now, when we are doing sales, we're trading with the trend. That's not risky. So now we are trading against the trend because we're counter buying. Anyways, we are about to hit TP1, so let's see. We are just going for scalps, okay? Hopefully we can catch a quick scalp before 11 p.m. Anyone is in? Anyone is in from 2004? I sent you guys a TP over on our Telegram as well as our stop loss and TP level, so you guys can join our Telegram from our TikTok link inside our TikTok bio. But this is a risky trade because we're counter trending. Alright, our SL is at 1998, but we can seek to target the top of the fair value gap here. We're just looking for quick scalp, rinse and repeat. Can you live until 12? Cannot lah. What if this trade hit SL? Will you guys blame me? Okay, don't risk too much on this trade because we are counter trending and this is a falling knife, okay? So just risk a little bit. Get a quick scalp. And then we're out. Yeah, if scalp, just go for small lots, okay? Go for small lots. This is a risky trade. I repeat, it's a risky trade, okay? Because we are currently trading against a falling knife. Right? Prices could dump through. As it already cleared our fair value gap fully here. This fair value gap has already been mitigated. So we are trading based on our inducement level here only. So it's a risky trade. Go for small lot. Right? Risky trade, go for small lots. And we have news at 11, so you guys have to be careful of that as well. Alright, we managed to hit 2 layers. Okay, now let's see if it closes above our inducement level here. Alright, looking good for the sweep. Alright, so we need to close above this zone here. That's why our TP level is here. So we need to close above here for a confirmation, for a pullback. Alright. Alright, guys. TP1 is gonna get hit. Alright, guys, come on. Running 30 pips. Okay, TP1 done. Okay, TP1 hit. Anyone caught? Anyone caught it? Let's go. What a snipe, guys. Those of you over on Telegram, do you guys caught the setup? Anyone caught it? Anyone caught the setup? Okay, I give you guys 2 setups ready today. I give you guys 2 setup ready. That means I can end live ready. Okay? I can end live ready. We're about to hit TB2 as well. Alright, this was on live, recorded on live YouTube. You guys can watch back. We caught the 180 pip sell and a buy. I sound happy because finally I can give you guys what you guys wanted. Because I've waited the whole day with 0 trades for you guys. Okay, fun day for Friday. I think it's enough already, okay? I think it's enough for you guys already, okay? I can end live already, right? don't need any more setups already, right? 200 pips today already. Josephine Joe, I think no, don't need to worry. If prices close above here, I do see prices. Okay, we have to monitor this zone here at 2007. Okay, if it close above here, then should be fine. You never earn anything. Why? Okay, now prices are just fucking around, okay? Those of you guys that want to close secure profits, just take your profits, okay? 25 pips, 20 pips profit. You guys want to hold to TP2, set stop loss to break even, and then we are pretty much done for the day, okay? We don't want to trade too late. We don't want to get stuck in the market for too late. Don't want to get stuck in the market for too long. Alright, guys? Okay. You guys want me to live throughout the next news, but I'm not gonna give any more setups really. I'm done for the day, and I don't want you guys to overtrade on the Saturday or on a Friday as well. We want to end the week perfect, okay? We want to end the week good. Because if you guys force a setup, right? What if the last setup is a loss? What if our last setup is a loss? If the last setup is a loss on a Friday night, you guys gonna revenge trade, trust me. And holding a drawdown over the weekend sucks, right? What was that week? Okay, faster. Hit TB2, then maybe get most of your position out already, okay guys? Then we're up about 200 pips for this week. Because prices are still trying to push down, sellers are in control. Okay lah, we already caught 200 pips. You guys not enough, is it? You guys not enough, 180 pips sell, you know. Alright, TB2 hit, guys. Anyone is holding to TB2? Alright, TB2 hit. Okay, if this hit TB3 as well, we are done, okay? Then I'll end live already. Okay, Josephine Joe is back to your zone. Okay lah, today enough already. 200 pips already. 200 pips settled for you guys already. More than 200 pips in 2 setups. Is it wow? Is it worth waiting? Let me know, guys. We waited the whole day, right? We didn't take any setup until today end. When can we enter cells again? I don't think I'll be looking for any more setups after this already. Gotta be satisfied. We already caught an amazing snipe. About to hit TB3 as well. Alright, we're about to hit TB3 in about 10 pips. 13 pips. More than 200 pips. You guys still want to set up? Alright, this was all on live, okay guys? You guys can rewatch on our YouTube recap. Okay, you guys want to close your trade? You want set stop loss to break even? Up to you guys, okay? We are settled already. We are more or less settled for today already, okay? And those of you guys who are new here, right, who have profited from us today, okay? Click on the link inside our TikTok bio to join our free Telegram channel. That's where we give our setups and analysis. Need one more setup to upsize my meal tomorrow. Fuck you guys, I need to sleep. I want to rest. It's a good Friday. Setups for animal today. Let me see. Because it's a Friday, I don't like you guys trading on a Friday. Because if you hold a drawdown on Friday night, right, it's gonna be very painful for you guys. It's gonna be very painful for you guys. Right? So you guys have to learn when to be satisfied with your profit. Learn how to not overtrade. If not, if you end up on a deathless seat on a Friday night and hold throughout the weekend, trust me, your weekend is gonna be damn shitty. So try not to hold trades over the weekend as well. Okay, I'll give you guys a monitor zone. I will send you guys my charting and my monitor zone for you guys. Alright? Then you guys play, you guys monitor this, whatever, okay? Where the Telegram? Click on the link inside our TikTok bio. Click on the link inside our TikTok bio. Thank you for the tip. No worries, guys. Hopefully, let me know if you guys manage to profit, alright? How many of you guys here? Okay, let's chat a while we are about to hit our TB3, okay? How many of you guys here is your first time watching me or your second time watching me? Joji is your first time. Fourth time watching me, first time. Okay. Hopefully you guys made some profits, okay, watching me today. During London session, we didn't manage to take any trades because prices was ranging. I don't want to force a trade for you guys as well. Yeah. So yeah. So if you guys like us, you know, help us share, you know, share around. Can you explain my TPs? Oh, scalping, I just do standardized 20 pips TP for each take profit level. What broker am I using? HFM. Now reversal. I don't think it's going to be a reversal. I think it's going to range between this daily zone. But if it holds above this 50% fair value gap area, then we might look for a possible retracement upwards towards 2014. Alright? So those of you guys who actually wanting to hold your position, right? We need to hold above this 50% fair value gap zone here. If we hold above here, there's a high chance that we might tap to the previous break of structure here at 2014, right? So we need to hold above here to have a possible tag. But if we close below here, there's a high chance we are going back down again. Where's the link? In our TikTok bio. Just go to our TikTok profile and click on the link in bio. $1,218. You guys are mad. Okay. Okay, wait, guys. Before you go, okay, send your wins. Okay. Regret closing on 2014. You gotta be satisfied. A win is a win. And we are about to hit TB3 as well. Where's the break of structure? Here, right, where we broke from the previous swing here on the 1 hour, right? We broke out here. So this was 2014. Enough already, guys. 200 pips already, eh. But if it close below here, then there's a high chance that it's gonna go down, right? So you need to hold above this 50% fair value gap area for a possibility of tapping here. If it close below, then there's a high chance we're going down again. How are you this accurate? I'm not always okay. Trading is a game of probability, right? You have winners, you have losses. For me, yesterday was one of my worst day. I had a loss and my goal almost hit stop loss, right? We managed to close at break even, but my GJ trade hit stop loss as well. And you know, in trading, you have to accept that you will lose. So you have to be transparent with your losses as well. So there's no excuses, right? For GJ yesterday, I made a loss. That's why I promised you guys we're gonna win today. Where's the next zone for swing sell? I would say from here you can swing sell already. Like, if you guys actually caught from on top, you want to swing sell, up to you guys. But if you manage to tap back up here, I will look for sell again. So today my bias is actually a sell. So I'll be looking for sell setups like if I were you guys. What about later news? I'm not gonna trade news anymore. Okay, I'm gonna end how come you never catch? Out of everyone, you should be the one who catch the trade. Man, I was busy when you guys printed money. Okay, never mind. Weekends, okay, is the best time to relook at all your trades, okay? So weekends, go to my files, read up on my course. Okay, you guys want a Zoom lesson on Sunday or not? I can do a Zoom lesson for you guys for SMC chapter if you guys want. For the first 100 people if you guys want. I'll find some time to do it for you guys. Because I love you guys a lot. Can we entry I say stay out 11 PM gonna have news already. Every time I do Zoom, nobody wanna watch. I don't wanna do already. Every time I go, people join and leave, join and leave. They don't want to stay through the whole lesson. It's very distractive. Okay, anyways, we caught our 200 over pip setup for today. We are pretty much done for the day. I'm done for the day lah, personally. I'll send you guys my analysis if you guys want to trade after that. It really depends on the news later. Alright? Anyways, I'll be ending live soon. So those of you guys who are new here, click on our TikTok channel, okay? Click on our TikTok channel. I mean, click on our TikTok bio. There's a link there to our Telegram channel. And then just join over on our Telegram channel. Alright? We will chat there and we'll manage our setups there as well. Okay, I do for you guys. I do for you guys. I see you okay when I'm free. Alright, see you guys. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Okay, 静姐. Okay, bye guys. Take care. VIP is free. You guys can hop over to our free Telegram channel. Why? You guys don't want me go You guys miss me You guys don't want me go. Yeah, I have to go here. I have to work on some courses for you guys as well. Chapter 4 is coming soon on trading psychology. You guys miss me? Everyone ask me don't go. Okay, I stay 5 more minutes for you guys. I stay 5 more minutes for you guys. Okay, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, okay, no more. After 5 more minutes, no more already. Okay, 5 more minutes. Okay, anyways, these 5 minutes I will do a setup or analysis for you guys. I'll send over to you guys on Telegram channel for those of you guys who want to trade later on. Alright? So I'll go to a clean chart like the one I've been used to be teaching you guys on. Fuck, I forget which one. I think it's this. Is it this? No, it's not this. Okay, never mind. We just use a clean chart. I forget which chart I used just now already to teach you guys. Okay, but if you guys look on the daily, right? Okay, mind me, I was doing my courses on this chart. Still holding my buy position. No, I'm out at TP2. How much you earn? Secret lah. Right, so we see that this was a very nice order block area as well. Actually, this is a very key pivotal zone. Right? Okay, I'll just do one last analysis for you guys before I go, okay? So here, we have a very strong order block here as well as our daily fair value gap zone here. Right, we have a daily fair value gap zone here. So this is an overlapping, right? We have a daily fair value gap as well as an order block here. So it's a very, very strong area, right? This was a very, very strong area. So now if prices manage to hold above here, if it holds above here, we could look for possible buys or retest above, right? Here, this area here. Okay, but what is gonna happen if we break here? Remember, this was the previous higher. Where's our previous higher low created? Okay, so we in this trend we have our higher lows, we have our higher highs here, right? So we need to look for our previous swing high, swing lows to get broken up as well. So this was an inducement level. It's not a higher low created, but if it breaks here, there's a high chance we will look to tap back into this zone here, right? It's gonna be a huge retracement back. But I don't think it will tap today, but it could tap in the near future, right? This zone here is where I'll be targeting my sell swings if I'm looking for sell swings. Inducement level, you can take it as a level where there's a lot of manipulation, right? Okay, I'll go in for you lah. Okay. Before I go, I'm gonna do some quick analysis. Fuck, I'll just use my normal chart. Okay, here, right? So from here, we need to identify inducement level once more. Okay, how do I identify my inducement level here? I was on the 15-minute chart just now, and if we scroll all the way back, wait, on the 1 hour chart, right? Okay, here, on the 1 hour chart, we have a manipulation and a liquidity sweep from here before a uptrend. Same thing. We had a manipulation from here before the impulse move up. So this is what we mean by an inducement level, right? We have a manipulation to the downside before an impulse move up. Same thing, manipulation to the downside before a big impulse move up, right? So this is what we call inducement level. This itself is also at one of an inducement level here. That's why you see when prices touches an inducement level, usually there will be a big movement. It's the same thing as liquidity zone, right? How I plot my liquidity zones. But inducement level is like more of the exact point. Alright? Okay. Thank you guys for joining. I'll be ending my live now. So maybe I'll do a quick analysis for you guys later on. I'll send you guys over on Telegram my charting. Then you guys can trade based on the chart if you guys want. Alright, see you guys. Take care. Click on the link inside our TikTok bio